Ashley and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to spill all of my thrifting secrets. This by segment. First, I'm going to show you where I shop some vintage pieces that are branded or designer items, and then number 2, I'm going to show you where I shop online. Now I'm talking about Instagram online thrift shops with this one, and then number 3, I'm going to show you some ukay-ukay spots that I usually go to around Metro Manila. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Welcome back to another vlog, and for today's video I'm out and about with my Yamaha Fazio, and I'm just gonna do some quick errands before I start my day. And for today, mag-thrift shopping din tayo around Makati, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I just changed my outfit and I just freshened up kasi may mga pupuntahan tayo. So I'm using this tool that I got from Lazada. It's perfect for like beachy, mermaid, wavy curls. And I like it because it just adds texture to my hair. Kasi minsan parang ayoko yung lagi na lang straight yung hair ko. So that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, you guys saw me ride the Yamaha Mio Fazio, which was so fun. And let me just share my first experience with the Mio Fazio. Kasi honestly, it was so easy to learn. Lalo na if marunong ka magbike, madadaringan ka with the Mio Fazio. So it's very beginner friendly. It looks so good with a lot of outfits kasi white nga yung nakuha ko. And it was such a dream to stroll around the city using that, do my own errands. And I wish I could pull up to an event right now. Wala nga lang event kasi ngayong araw na to. Pero I think I could confidently bring the Yamaha Fazio with me everywhere I go. Since it's perfect for people who lives a fashionable lifestyle. Like, bagay siya sa kahit anong outfit. Mapa-casual man yan, semi-formal. You know, something really edgy that you would like to wear. It fits the whole vibe. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna go to Makati. I'm gonna thrift there. May mga thrifting spots na very underrated, and I want to take you guys along with me.
A little different than all the rest.
Hey guys, so I made it here to Makati, and we have 3 stops. First is yung It's Vintage, and then number 2 is the Makati Cinema Square, and then number 3 would be a flea market at Seltsum. It's like a restaurant converted to a flea market, and I'm so excited since first time ko rin pumunta sa ganon. Ito guys, yung price range niya, hindi siya yung mga ukay sa province na super mura talaga, but we're gonna give it a try. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys my haul later on. So alright, so first stop was at Seltsum. It's basically like a restaurant converted to a vintage pop-up here at Makati. And when I went here, I was so happy because it's my first time to go to something like this. Kasi usually sa mga US ko lang nakikita to sa mga international YouTubers. There's like a wide range of clothing pieces from streetwear to Y2K. And actually may mga room decor din. Like these were so cute. I found like plates that were like in this heart shape. So this was me going through every rack. There are so many like Bella Hadid inspired maxi skirts, and guys, I'm so shocked that most of the items are actually branded, kaya medyo pricey siya. Like yung mga price range nila nasa 300 above. And I found this like more ganda toy top, which is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys my haul at the end of this video. But anyway, I also found this like hand-painted jacket. I tried it on, and other people who saw me like get this jacket, they were like, oh yeah, that's a good find. Ganyan. I felt validated. And I was so happy that I found it. And I also scored this denim skirt, which was so cute. So here's Happy Ashley with her haul. Next up is It's Vintage, which is a store at Makati. And eto naman guys, it's an actual store because a while ago what we visited is a pop-up, so by schedule lang siya nandun, hindi siya palagi. We found so many cute pieces in here. Their products range from like windbreakers, denim jackets, trousers, cargo pants, and tops. But the thing is, the prices are really quite high for like thrifted items because it's kind of curated already for you. I purchased some of these items so that I could give a review and tell you guys if it's worth it or not. And by the way, this is my outfit of the day. My leather jacket is thrifted, and then my tube top is from H&M, and my pants are cotton on, and my shoes are the Adidas Samba. And later on, papakita ko sa video na to mga mas affordable options. Medyo mahal lang talaga tong vintage shopping part. So yeah. I'm back home and I just wanted to show you guys my thrift haul. Actually, these are quite pricey, pero kasi the thing is, these are branded din. I am so shocked that this one is actually from the brand Morgan Detoy. This is actually one of my favorite brands right now. Fashion girlies know. And this was around 2,495. It gives off 60s vibes. This dress is so cute with my platform heels like this. Hello! And then when I went to the flea market, I saw another Morgan Detoy top. Diba? The print is so cute and very me. This was around 900 pesos. But the thing is, I was actually on the hunt for yung mga long tops. Kasi na-realize ko yung cabinet ko, puro siya crop tops. I am actually obsessed with wearing low-waisted jeans recently. And this is the kind of like combo na I want. Kasi pag naka-low waist ka, pag naka-crop top, parang sobrang exposed yung belly button. And we don't want that. Ever since na-discover ko yung perfect low-waisted jeans for me, which is from Cotton On, I'm actually gonna link it down below for you guys. It's available on Zalora. You can use my code para mas mura nyo siya makuha kaysa bumili pa kayo sa store. That's what I got. And then, bumili pa rin ako ng crop top kasi I couldn't resist. It's so cute. It's so pretty. Like, the color is so pretty. This one was around 600 pesos. And just look at the texture. I look like a watermelon with this one. A cute watermelon. And then, it gets better. It gets better. I moved to another rack and I saw this store. They're actually available on Instagram then. Look at this precious baby. It's so beautiful. It's a hand-painted corduroy brown jacket. I just want more unique statement pieces on my wardrobe. And I got this beautiful denim skirt. Just look at the details. It's so cool. And aside from that, I find my vintage designer bags or shoes usually on Carousel. So Carousel is basically an app. Para siyang Depop, but Philippines version. And the way that I find these kind of pieces, I usually type the word vintage and then ita-type ko yung brand. Like for example, vintage Dior, vintage Louis Vuitton, vintage whatever. So that's how I find some pieces. Now on to the most exciting part. Actually guys, I myself am an online thrift shopping addict. As in, sobrang saya ko whenever nakukuha ko yung piece kasi it's so satisfying. Kasi usually parang bidding yan. And nakilala ko guys na nakikipagsapalaran talaga sa mind grab steal na process. So ayun, that's the thing. You just really have to be fast in like typing so the other person wouldn't get the item that you are eyeing on. So here are some of my favorite online thrift shops. First on the list would be Milagro.clothing. This is actually an online shop I just recently discovered. Actually, Sean discovered it na sa Explore page niya. And I'm so happy when I saw it because the seller was so sweet. And grabe, ang ganda ng mga leather jacket niya. And I actually bought this brown leather jacket. Pag pumunta ka sa mga stores sa mall, nasa 2,500 to 3,000, ganon. But you can only get this for like less than 1,000 or like around 1,000 pesos lang, which is really affordable for this kind of quality na leather jacket. Is the feature is you. Honestly, I really wanted to gatekeep this one because their pieces are so good. The thing about them, they don't just offer you mga ukay na items, but they also do like custom-made pieces for like special occasions, or if you really want something unique in your closet. Like for example, this funky pair of pants that I got, this one is from Future Is You, and also like this custom-made denim jeans with some bolero and a corset. Usually magaganda yung mga custom-made denim pieces nila. Next is Beyond the Rack PH. Now, if you're in the hunt for like a unique pair of Converse or like yung dream pair of Converse mo, feeling ko makikita mo siya here. For example, I got this super unique pair of Converse. I actually wore this multiple times already and ang ganda ng quality niya, so it's really authentic. Next is the shop called Hey Anna. I don't know if I'm mispronouncing it. I hope I'm not. But anyway, this is like my go-to for flowy dresses and some dainty pieces. So I got some of my favorite little black dresses from this shop. And usually guys, nagpo-post sila ng teasers before posting a whole new collection, so you know what you're eyeing on. And when they post their teasers, this is like the perfect time for you to ask what is the measurement, so that you know na kapag nakikipag-unahan ka, kasya talaga sa'yo yung damit. So you can ask questions to the seller. Next is BWSPH or Buy Wear Slay, and it has been my go-to since the early pandemic days. And kapag nagpo-post sila ng collection, usually they mix yung mga trendy pieces plus thrifted pieces. So this is one of the pieces that I got from them. Super cute. More on like pastel and neutral colors yung mga nasa collection nila. Next is Marge's favorite and Thrifted by Bratz. I believe they're owned by two sisters. And dito ko usually kinukuha yung mga Von Dutch na pieces ko or Y2K pieces. And speaking of Y2K, I also love the shop called Juicy Slut. Dito nagbebenta sila more on like juicy couture pieces. Next is Buttons and Colors PH. Now this is my go-to whenever I want yung mga corset and jacket na sets. I actually wore this in my Japan trip and it really kept me warm and so cute. Now on to my favorite Ukay-ukay spots around Metro Manila area, and number one is the one from Intramuros. Actually guys, if I'm not mistaken, 4 na stores na magkakatabi yung sa Intramuros. And ito yung old UST building. I'm gonna put all of the address and details of the Ukay-ukay spots na alam ko down below in the description box. And what I like about Intramuros is nakakakuha talaga ako ng magagandang pieces, whether it may be shoes or belts. And nakaka-score din ako ng magagandang pieces sa kids section because this is where I usually get some of my baby tees, yung mga top na naka-crop na. And then sa Cubao area naman, you can either go to Cubao Expo or yung Anonas na near the LRT station. At Cubao Expo, I was able to score this wrinkle-resistant long sleeves polo for only 100 pesos. And you know naman na kapag sa mga ukay-ukay, marami talagang mga ganitong long sleeves polo, and I actually prefer buying this kind of piece sa mga ukay-ukay kaysa online. Kasi pag bumibili ako ng ganito online, it's either sobrang nipis or ang mahal niya for what it is. So, ayun, ito guys, 100 pesos lang. And you can also find Anonas Ukay in Cubao. This is near the LRT station, and this one is pretty famous kasi 4 floors siya. And alam ko magkatabi yun eh. Like, merong isang store na malapit sa LRT station and yung isa kailangan mong bumaba. Tapos isang building siya na 5 or 4 floors na puro ukay-ukay spots. So, lastly would be the one at Quiapo. This one is located near the entrance of SM Quiapo, and this is where I really get yung mga affordable pieces talaga. Like from 10 pesos to 100 na pieces. Like makakuha ka ng 50 pesos na pants. And I usually go there when I was like a student before sa UST. And speaking of UST, meron ding Ukay-ukay spot malapit doon. The one near Morayta and Espana na overpass. Underneath that, may Ukay-ukay spot. I believe it's like 2 floors. And naka-aircon din yun, so hindi kayo makahagard habang nagsha-shopping. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's about it for this video. Let me know if you want to see more contents like this. Actually, I would be happy to make more contents like this. Kasi before, whenever you wear ukay, parang it's looked down on or it's been shamed on. And now, it's like the new cool and I'm all for it. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!
Listen to my